Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing very well and having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Today, we are heading to a beautiful lakeside for our Canada Day picnic. Honestly, I enjoy the journey just as much as the destination. There is something so peaceful about being on the road, watching the scenery change, seeing the mountains appear in the distance, and feeling the excitement of discovering a new place always fills my heart with happiness. Every journey reminds me that life is beautiful when we slow down and enjoy the little moments. And here we are. Just look at this breathtaking view. The calm water, the majestic mountains, and the fresh breeze create such a peaceful atmosphere. I could sit here for hours just listening to the gentle sounds of nature. Water has a magical way of calming the mind, while the mountains remind us to stay strong and grounded. Places like this make me appreciate the beauty that nature offers us every single day. After soaking in the beauty of nature, I'm starting to feel a little hungry. So it's time for some fresh roasted corn. There is something so comforting about cooking outdoors. The sound of the flame, the aroma of roasting corn, and the beautiful view all around make this simple meal feel extra special. Sometimes the most ordinary food becomes the most memorable when enjoyed in the middle of nature. With this breathtaking view all around me, it's the perfect moment to slow down and enjoy some freshly roasted corn. Eating while listening to the gentle sound of the water and feeling the cool breeze is such a wonderful experience. Nature has a way of making everything taste better. It's not just about the food, it's about the feeling, the atmosphere, and the beautiful memories we create. After enjoying some live music and this beautiful nature, it's time for our little one to have some fun at the playground. Watching her laugh and enjoy every moment fills our heart with happiness. Children have a beautiful way of finding joy in the simplest things, and their excitement reminds us to slow down, smile more, and appreciate life's little moments. As I walk around the lake, I can't help but admire every little detail. The colorful flowers blooming quietly. Seeing these beautiful flowers gently swaying in the breeze fills my heart with peace and happiness. The graceful geese gliding across the water, the gentle breeze touching my face, and the magnificent mountains standing proudly in the background. Everything feels so peaceful. Nature doesn't ask for anything in return. It simply gives us beauty, peace, and countless reasons to be grateful. Of course, we couldn't live without capturing a few memories together. Taking photos together is our way of freezing these beautiful moments in time. Years from now, this picture will remind us of this peaceful day, the laughter we shared, and the happiness we felt. After spending time exploring, we are getting hungry again. So it's time to cook some hot noodles. Simple food, beautiful surroundings, good company. Sometimes that's all we really need. As the sun sets, the sky prepares for one final surprise. The Canada Day fireworks begin. Every color lighting up the night reminds us how beautiful celebrations can be.
Light it up and watch me go. Like a firework, I'll glow.
Watching fireworks always brings a childlike excitement.
I'm the queen of this whole town. Firework, light the sky. Firework, watch me fly. Firework, you and I. Firework, don't ask why. Don't ask why. Sparkles running through my veins, breaking through the window panes. Every color, every sound. Watch me as I shake the ground. Firework, light the sky. Firework, watch me fly. Firework, you and I. Firework, don't ask why. Glow, glow, glowing, glow, 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 glowing, glowing, glow, glow, glowing, glow, 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 glowing, glowing, glow, glow, glowing, glow, 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 glowing, glowing,
Thank you so much for joining us on this beautiful Canada Day adventure. I truly hope this vlog brought you a little peace, a little joy, and a little inspiration to spend more time in nature. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay close to nature, and keep finding happiness in life's simple moments. See you in the next vlog.